हाय गाइस, मेरा नाम वरुण दीक्षित है और मैं नोएडा में रियल एस्टेट कंसल्टेंट हूं। मैं लोगों की हेल्प करता हूं उनको उनके प्रेफरेंसेस और मार्केट इनसाइट्स के अकॉर्डिंग सही प्रोजेक्ट और आइडियल इन्वेंटरी सिलेक्ट करने में, देन फाइनली राइट प्रॉपर्टी एट द राइट प्राइस परचेज करने में। सो गाइस, लेट्स मूव टू आवर न्यू प्रोजेक्ट। द प्रोजेक्ट नेम इज Godrej Farm Retreat and it lies in sector 150 Noida. I can say with conviction that this project is the most luxurious project of this sector 150. It is a theme-based project and it is a under construction project. Now let's see its sample flat. This is a 3,198 square feet 4 BHK flat with servant room. This is the entry with an 8 feet high door and a long foyer to maintain your privacy. Now this is a big size and a beautiful drawing room and a separate dining room. You can separate drawing room from dining by just putting a simple curtain if you want so. Here is your attached balcony with this drawing room. You can also put sitting arrangement here like this to enjoy morning evening tea or to simply enjoy the resort theme of this project from your balcony. This is your common washroom. Look at the color theme of this washroom, from tiles to glass and curtain and vanity. Everything is complementing each other. This is a small chester placed here. Now this is the first bedroom of this flat. Has a 3-door wardrobe sunken in wall, leaving more usable space in the room. The common washroom is just opposite to this room, so that will cater for this room. Here is an attached balcony with full-size sliding glass doors. Here is seating in this balcony as well. This is a running balcony connecting drawing room as well. There is plenty of space in dining room, so they have put 8-seater dining table here. Now this is your kitchen, and this is really a jumbo size kitchen. This is the first kitchen I am shooting with an island kitchen counter. 3 persons can easily work in this kitchen at the same time. One can do cooking on the cooking counter, another can do chopping on island counter, and the last one can do dishwashing in sink. Here is utility balcony. It is also a big size running balcony. Your servant can do washing and ironing clothes here. This is your servant room with wardrobe. And this is your servant toilet, which is separate because your drivers and other home staff can also use it. One thing is for sure, your servants are also going to like this place. This is the second bedroom of this flat. In this bedroom, you can put a study table and a TV panel as well. You get a personal balcony with this room. Here you get a space for a very big wardrobe with 6 doors and a full size looking mirror. This is your washroom, and its placement and designing are wonderful. Now here is your third bedroom of this flat, and this is also very spacious and beautifully designed. It has a personal balcony, it has a walk-in closet and a personal toilet. Now last but not the least is your master bedroom. It is a huge size combo of a bedroom, a balcony, a walk-in closet and a toilet. It is a huge toilet having bathtub, shower cubicle and big vanity. So now guys, we will discuss some important aspects of this project and see what amenities you are going to get in this project. Total apartments 856 and total land area is 14.35 acres. So it comes to 60 flats per acre, where other developers in this sector are making 80, 90 and 100 flats per acre. Here you are getting 60 flats per acre. So this is a least dense project in a least dense sector. Wow. Designed by architect Hafiz Contractor, who is Padma Bhushan awardee, and main focus is given on sunlight and ventilation. Clubhouse of 40,000 square feet plus sky garden of 1 lakh square feet at 7th floor having recreational activities. So in total you will have 1,40,000 square feet area of recreational activities, while other developers are offering only 20,000 to 40,000 square feet area of recreational activities. 20,000 square meter area of central green having 600 trees will improve the air quality of this project. Floating restaurant and poolside cabanas will bring you closer to the water feature. Butterfly garden, color garden and the maze garden will bring you closer to the nature. Now we will see, being a part of Sports City, the residents of this society will enjoy some special benefits. Connectivity to 3 major expressways, Yamuna Expressway, Noida Greater Noida Expressway and FNG Expressway. Connectivity to already operational Sector 148 metro station. Good connectivity to Posta Road, which will connect Sector 150 to Kalendi Kunj and will be parallel to Noida Greater Noida Expressway. Sector 150 is the greenest sector of Noida. It is the biggest sector of Noida. It is the least dense sector of Noida. It is the first sector of Delhi NCR to have no overhead wires. And it is the first sector in Noida which is closest to Noida International Airport. 42 acre Shahid Bhagat Singh Park, which is one of India's biggest park, lies in sector 150. Now finally we will discuss about the sizes and prices of this project. Although there are multiple sizes in this project, but as of now only 2 sizes are available, one for 3 BHK and one for 4 BHK. For 3 BHK the size is 2440 square feet, which will cost you around 2.33 CR, and for 4 BHK the size is 3200 approx, which will cost you around 3.05 CR. If you are looking for a luxurious 3 or 4 BHK apartment in this project, then do contact me. Me and my team will be glad to help you. And finally, if you like this video, then please like the video and subscribe my channel to see the next hot project in Noida. If you have any query, then you can ask me in the comment box or WhatsApp me personally. So goodbye guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.